Welcome to Module 1. Now this module is very important, so please remember you can rewind, you can go back. But the reason most recruiters don't actually succeed at Twitter is because of this bad boy here, okay? You need to choose your target audience. Trust me, you can only have one target audience to succeed with Twitter. Now keep in mind that Twitter is okay with you having multiple accounts, but for your first account, I want you just to focus on one target audience. So next we're going to talk about choosing that one target audience. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I would go about targeting a target audience. Okay, so keep in mind, a target audience, think of a job title or a job title family. Okay, so I'm going to make this is just for visuals, okay? This is just a diagram, okay? And this is going to be time. Okay, so right now we're at 0. I want you to pretend, because some of you are going to actually start a Twitter account from 0, and let's say this is 1 year, okay? Now it's going to take you about a year, let's say 3 months, 6 months, before you actually start getting some traction with your Twitter account and your followers, okay? Now, I also want you to keep in mind that when picking a job title that you're going to focus on, this quadrant here, if these are the recs you need now, if you need these people ASAP, Twitter's not going to get it for you, okay? So don't focus on these, okay? What I want you to do is focus on about 6 months to a year. Are you still going to have job openings for these? Are these still going to be mission critical to your company? And I want you to ask yourself, I want to be known for what? I want to be known, like for when we started this training, I started an account that's just targeting DevOps engineers, okay? So I asked myself, in 6 months to a year, I want to be known to the DevOps community on Twitter, okay? So that's what I'm focusing on, knowing it's going to take me a while, okay? So your exercise now is going to be to choose your job title or your target audience. Now here's a little tip for you. Sometimes you can group job titles or job title families, right? So I want you to get specific, especially with region and industry, right? So it could be electrical engineers in the paper mill industry. Get specific. You cannot be everything to everybody. You've got to pick one, okay? The example I give in Twitter 101 is, do you ever get a commercial or an ad and you're like, oh, that's horrible. That's the stupidest commercial in the world. That's because it's not relevant. It's not relevant to you, but it's relevant to somebody, or else they wouldn't be paying money. So the messages that you send out, the pictures, the videos, the articles, you want it to be valuable. You want it to be relevant for the target audience that you pick. So like I said, this is the most important step in the process. All right, good luck.